first time I made money online was by creating and selling an ebook using free tools. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can create and sell an ebook using free tools from what you know. It can be your knowledge, your experiences, your results, your skill set, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So stay to the end of this video because you want to not miss this opportunity of making money by creating and selling an ebook using free tools. All right, and you don't necessarily need to have a laptop. You can use your smartphone. So I'm going to be showing you how you can implement this even if you don't have a laptop like this. All right, so before we get right into this video, if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. Kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop new videos like this, and do not forget smash the like button to like this video. If this is your second, third time, as many times you have watched my videos, thank you so much. Kindly put in comment section that you're a returning subscriber, and if you just subscribe, put in comment section you just subscribe. All right, if you're ready to start creating and selling an ebook to make money online, put in comment section ebook, put in comment section ebook. All right, before we get right into this video, I have a special masterclass coming up, Purpose Clarity Masterclass, for anyone who is tired of asking the question, what is my purpose? How do I discover my purpose? How can I fulfill my purpose? How can I build a business around my purpose and make money from my purpose? This masterclass is for you. I'll put a link in the comment section so you can get access to that masterclass for just $5. All right, let's get right into the video. Now, one of the things that a lot of people do not know is that before you create an ebook, there are certain steps you need to take. If you don't take those steps, you're going to create an ebook and make a mess. That means you're going to struggle to sell the ebook to make money. Recently, someone sent me a message that she wants to create an ebook or an online course and make money from it. And I told her, okay, what topic is that? When she said the topic, I smiled because she doesn't understand that there are certain steps you need to take before you create an ebook or an online course, right? But this video is focused on an ebook. If you want to get my videos on how to create an online course, how to make money online and from online courses, I'll put a link to the playlist where you can get access to those videos on how to make money from online course. Right, so in this video we want to talk about the steps you can take before you create an ebook. Number one step is to pick a niche. Now, a niche is a segment of the market. A niche is a segment of the market. For instance, we have making money online niche, and in the making money online niche we have affiliate marketing, Amazon KDP, we have e-commerce, we have freelancing. So there are so many sub niches in the niche of making money online and other niches like that. So you need to focus on a niche. So let's say you want to focus on picking marriage and relationship niche, then you focus on that. Now, this is not just about creating an ebook, but creating what I call an ebook publishing business. That means you want to be creating ebooks around that niche. You don't want to be creating an ebook on marriage, creating an ebook on politics, creating an ebook on business, creating an ebook on forex trading, creating an ebook on... No, you want to create an ebook on a particular niche so that you build a brand and be known for it. You don't want to build an ebook publishing business around different niches. You want to focus on a niche and be known for it, right? So the first thing is to pick a niche, and the simple way to pick a niche is what I call the audience-based approach. Now, this is where you focus on a pain point. So let's say you want to solve the pain points of singles having heartbreaks and how they can overcome heartbreaks, or married couples struggling to grow their marriage and live in a happy marriage, but then you are focusing on the relationship and marriage niche. Or if you want to say, okay, I am a freelancer, I've made a lot of money from freelancing and I want to start teaching other people how they can do that, but then you can focus on the freelancing niche. So you focus on a pain point of a specific audience and help them solve it. That is one of the major ways you can pick a niche. All right, now the second step is to validate your ebook topic. Okay, so you don't just wake up and say, okay, I think this ebook topic will sell, and I say, okay, let me write an ebook on how to make money from online courses. Now, you don't just wake up and assume that your ebook topic will sell. You have to validate your ebook topic, and one of the ways to do that is to ask your audience, or is to ask online, ask people around you, okay, I'm planning to write this ebook, what do you think? Right? And the best way to do this is something that will really be of help to you. The best way to do this is to sign up for a coaching program, because you have access to that coach and you can get access to him to ask him or her questions, because sometimes people may not respond. Okay, let me give a quick example. So someone sent me a message that she wants to write an ebook on something, that should give her a response. I said I charge for it. You can't just send me a message and tell me I should respond and give you answers, right? There is no relationship, there's nothing connecting me and you, and first time you're just sending me a message that I should go through your work and give you answers. So one of the ways to validate your ebook topic is that you have a coach you can always reach out to and say, okay, this is what I want to work on, what do you think? Because not everybody will give you that access for free. All right, so the next thing is to choose a unique angle. Choose a unique angle. Now, for instance, if I want to create an ebook on how to make money from online courses, I won't say how to make money from online courses. I'll choose a unique angle. Rather, I will say how to make your first 100 sales from your first online course or your next online course. Now, I switched from online courses to making your first 100 sales. So that's a unique angle. When you want to create an ebook, always choose a unique angle. Don't choose a general angle, something that everybody is already aware of. Choose something that will make people curious, make people be like, I need to get this book. I want to really know what is inside the book. I want to really know something that is different from what other people have written. That is choosing a unique angle. The next thing is to build your audience. Now, you don't want to create an ebook and you don't have an audience to sell your ebook to. This is the mistake a lot of people make. You create an ebook and you don't have anybody to sell it to. So you have to build your audience. You build your audience with content, creating content on social media. You build your audience by creating a lead magnet. So that a lead magnet simply means giving a resource for free, so that they can join your email list, your WhatsApp, or follow you on Facebook or Instagram, right? So these are the first steps you need to take before you can create an ebook. Now, when it comes to creating an ebook, there is this method I always tell my clients, my students: sell before you create your ebook. Sell before you create your ebook. Now, the reason why you want to sell before you create your ebook is so that you can check for the demand. Are people really interested in getting this ebook before I even create it? Most of the times, I always put out my ebook advert before creating it, to check if it is something that people will really want to buy. Now, this strategy is called the pre-order strategy, whereby you start marketing your ebook and telling people to pre-order for it before they can get access to it. And by that time, you are yet to create the ebook. So you want to see how many people will get the ebook and what are their reactions. So let me give an example. So there's an influencer that I follow a lot, and he posted on his Facebook timeline that he had a session with a client, and after that the client was like, how do you get this particular result? So he posted that, okay, so he's planning to launch a class on how he gets such results. He wants to know how many people will be interested in the class, and the class is going to be 10,000 naira. And a lot of people, I inclusive, or is that the right word now? Okay, don't mind me. Now, in the comment section, I made my own suggestion. I said, yes, I'm interested because I need that class. A lot of people were saying they're interested. Before the end of that day, he already made close to 200,000 naira from a class that he has not started. The class will be in December, as at the time of recording this video, December 2022. And in October, he was already talking about a class that he has not created, he has not started. What does that tell you? It tells you that before you sell anything, this is not limited to ebooks, but in the context of this video, we're talking about ebooks. Before you create your ebook, use the pre-order strategy to see if there is a demand for what you want to create, so you don't waste your time creating something that people will not buy. don't create a product first, rather sell the product first to see the demand for it before you create it, right? The next, another strategy, you can use the wait list strategy. So you tell them, okay, I'm about to launch a book, this is the amount. You can join the wait list to get the discounted price, so that when it is out, you would be part of those who will get the bonuses attached. When you see people joining and making payment, then you know that, okay, let me go and create the ebook, right? So sell before you create your ebook. Now, there are tools you can use to create your ebook, right? We have Google Docs, Evernote, WPS application for writing. These apps can be downloaded on your Google Play Store for your Android and your Apple Play Store for your any other phone you use, your Samsung and the rest, right? Okay, so let me go to my Google Docs, right? So this is my Google Docs, right? So this is an example that I created for a client, a coaching client, right? So this is a free report on how I made, or I moved from 100k monthly, table of contents, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 4, like that. So you can use this, and you can use this on your smartphone, right? Just go to Play Store, download Google Docs, and open the app to use. You can also use Evernote, you can use WPS, right? So what you just have to do is to ensure your content is arranged, right? The table of content, the chapters, and how you put your chapters together. Each of the chapters should have subtopics, like that. So this is not a full writing ebook class, right? But I'm just giving you an example of the tools you can use. Google Docs is free, so you don't have to pay any dime for it, right? And you can use your smartphone to write the book. This is what I do for clients that are very busy, that don't have time to write their own books. So I write the books for them. I use my smartphone most of the times to write the books, right? So this is a free tool you can use, Google Docs. Now, the next tool that you can use is called Canva, right? This is Canva, right? Now, if once I'm done creating the book on Google Docs, the next thing I will do is to design the cover on Canva. So there are different book covers here. So I just say, okay, let me see which one I want to pick. Okay, let's just say how to build your business. Let me just pick that one. Now take note that this is not saying that if you have money to pay a graphic designer, you should not pay a graphic designer, right? This is just for you if you don't have money at all. You're just starting out and you don't have money at all to pay a graphic designer, okay? So this is how to build your business from this to this. Then I can put my name, right? Then if I want to change this, let's say I want to use this, so I can say where to invest, and I put my name there. It's okay, God's time Ifeni. Yeah, where to invest your money, God's time Ifeni. And I can download it. I just click on the share. This can be done with your smartphone, okay? So don't be afraid that, oh, he's using a laptop. No, it can be done with a smartphone. So I can download. So once, yeah, it's downloading. So this is it. Yeah. So next thing I do is to get a mock-up for it. So I will just use smart mockup, smart mockups, yeah. Or I can use DIY mockups. Yeah, DIY mockups, if I'm right. Yeah, I love this one. Okay, so the first thing I do is to choose. What do I want to choose? Okay, let's use this one. Let's see. Okay, use that one next. Then upload. So I'm going to upload what we downloaded from Canva. Okay, browse and pick. So let's go to download. This is it. There you go. Open, upload. Next. Okay, this is it. Then where's the other one? We're done. Okay, so you pick PNG, right? PNG. So I think it should be downloading now. Yeah, so you can see the book is ready. God's time, if anywhere to invest your money. Book is ready, right? So this is just a free tool. I didn't pay a dime for it, right? So that's for that. Then if you want to upload the book once you are done, right, once you have converted it, ebook simply means you convert it to a PDF, right? You give it to a graphic designer if you can't do that, right? So Google Drive will be for uploading the ebook. Now let me go to Google Drive. I think Google Drive should be here. Okay, let's see. Google Drive. Let's see. Google Drive. Google Drive. Google Drive. Google Drive. Google Drive. Google Drive. Okay. Google Drive. So what I just have to do is to click on New File Folder. Then I go to where the ebook is, right? So let's say I want to go to, let me go to download and see if I'll get let me see if I'll get, okay, so this is a PDF. I'm just using that as an example. So I just use that, it uploads, then I can now copy the link and send to people who buy, right? Simple and short. Simple and short. That's all. So that's how you can create and sell an ebook. Now the last slide for me is how to sell your ebook. Now that you have created the ebook, so how do you now start selling it? Of course, I told you sell it before you create. Okay, so let's say you have launched it, you want to keep selling it. Build a list of buyers. Very important. You have to build a list of buyers. Build a list of people who will be interested in buying your ebook. Then create irresistible offers. People don't buy products, people buy offers, right? So for instance, let's say I said that I want to create an ebook on how to make your first 100 sales selling your online course, right? So let's say that's the ebook I want to sell, or I've created and I'm selling. Then my offer would be, number one, that they're going to get access to a template which they can use to create convincing and persuasive write-ups to sell their courses. That's one. Then number two, they are going to get a secret hack or a secret formula which they can use to get buyers for their courses without spending a dime on Facebook ads. So you can see how I'm crafting my offers, right? So they are not going to just look at how to get their first 100 sales from their online course reading my ebook. They're also going to get additional things. So one of the ways to craft an offer is to add additional valuable bonuses or valuable products to what you're selling, so that when they look at the ebook, they'll be like, no, I can get more value from this ebook, not just buying it but also getting other additional bonuses, right? Then number three, you can run paid advertising, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, influencer marketing. So these are different forms of advertising you can pay for to sell your ebook and make money. So these are the things you need to know when it comes to creating and selling an ebook. If you're getting value from this, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and ensure you like this video. If you'd like to learn more on how to create an ebook, create an ebook and sell an ebook to make money, then I have a course which I call ebook publishing course. So I'm going to put a link in the comment section where you can get access to that course and learn more on how to sell an ebook, how to create and sell an ebook and make money. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.